Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of cleaning my yarn room. It progressively has gotten better but worse at the same time. I don't even know how that's possible, but let's get into it. Now, before I get too far into this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more crocheting content. Okay, so as I was telling you guys last time, I had tons of yarn on my bed. I did manage to get most of the yarn, I would say, off of my bed. All of my acrylic yarn I got put away, and all of my cotton yarn is put away, but I still have quite a few rolls on the bed of blanket yarn. So I'm going to put those on my shelf today. And I'm just kind of trying to organize it all a lot better. It still is really messy. I currently have nowhere to sit. I can't sit on the bed and I can't sit on my chair because it is full of stuff. I think the main goal for today is to get some stuff out of the closet. So let's see what we get done. So this is currently what I'm working with. I have tons of stuff over there and the bed is still full and I am sitting on a Tupperware full of yarn. So I gotta get working. Okay, I did find another storage bin, like a canvas kind of storage bin that I can put some yarn in. I think this will be super helpful for the bottom part of my yarn shelf. So I'm gonna see how much I can fit in here. I also have a lot of like bubble yarn like this. If anyone has ideas on what I should make out of this, please let me know, because I've had it for years and I honestly don't know what to do with it. I've crocheted a little bit with it, but if anyone's got ideas. Okay guys, I ended up getting all of my thicker rolls into this bin, and I think we're gonna put it down here in this bottom shelf. Alright, progress has been made. I would really like to do a market this year, like a crochet market, whether it's the Saturday market or if there's like an expo that I can go to. I would really like to do that, but I also have anxiety and I get really nervous about doing things like that, so we'll see, but I definitely have enough yarn to do it. Okay, I'm thinking that if I get some of those stuff moved out of my closet, that I might be able to put this Tupperware that I have in there. Okay, found another container of yarn. Beautiful. But I think those two might be able to go in my closet. Okay, I got both the containers into my closet, which just opened up floor space for me. So that is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful, guys. Okay, so I'm honestly thinking that my big storage container, it's sealed off really well and it has rollers, could probably sit sideways like this in my closet. I think there's enough room. Let's see. Look at that. Alright, she's gonna fit perfect. I'm gonna tip her this way though. She doesn't fall over. But yeah. Okay, that is a lot of progress made. I'm going to grab the camera and show you guys what everything looks like now, because I feel like it looks better. Okay, so not much done here and not much done to the bed, but however, Tupperwares are off the floor. There's none there and there's none over here now. And I took my really big one that was on top of this one off. So now everything is in the closet. Okay, I'm also thinking that this bag might be able to go back in the closet as long as it fits with my beads, because I'm gonna stick the beads up there. So okay, wow, that actually helped a lot. So we got that box off the bed and that bag off of the floor. This is a great start, guys. So I'm gonna clean up some of my clothes off the bed, and as well as find some spots for this stuff, and I'll leave the yarn and then I will meet you guys back here and show you what I plan to do with it. Okay, so I'm here to share my progress. Still a lot of work to be done, but I did make good progress, so let me show you guys. So there's my trash floor in the corner there, is clean, and then I have all this stuff that I still need to do something with. But the floor over here is clean, and the bed is still a mess, but we're getting there. All right, I'm gonna do some more organizing, and I will see you guys back in a minute. Okay guys, another progress update. Still looking good. Closet got some more stuff in it. My whip pile and the floor still has a little bit. Almost done. All right, y'all, it is done. So let me show you guys the final result. I ended up being able to fit all these boxes in here and some more up there. It turned out really well. Thank you guys so much for being a part of my little cleaning journey. If you like this video, make sure to check out part 1, and I will keep y'all posted. Stay tuned as well for my whip video, which will also be coming today. So bye guys.